In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect your client's ElevenLabs account to your client's Synthflow sub-account inside of your agency plan in just a few minutes. Let's do it. So to start with, open up the agency tab on the left-hand side and hit sub-accounts. Next, open up the chosen client account that you want to bring in your API key for and select API keys from the menu at the top. Now at the bottom here, you see ElevenLabs and you have an open box here to plug in your own ElevenLabs API key. Now this is actually separate from your global API key connected to your main account. This is going to be a client API key for a client's ElevenLabs account. This means you can hand off any of the token usage in ElevenLabs to your client to pay for, so you aren't responsible for that billing too. To find this key in ElevenLabs, open ElevenLabs, and in the bottom left hand section, click on your profile, then click Profile and API Key. You're going to see it here, double click, copy that one in, go back into your client account inside of Synthflow, and then paste that in this box here and press save. And it's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and catch you on the next one.